Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what you are seeing in front of you is a lock, and yes, there is no place for a key, and that's because it's activated with your fingerprint, and which is going to show you how you can unlock it with your fingerprint right now. It's as simple as putting your fingerprint right there. Put your fingerprint right there, it recognizes it and it unlocks, and you can lock it back. Now, if you are someone that doesn't need to unlock it with your fingerprint, you can always do it from the companion app, which is on the smartphone. So the app is on the smartphone, and as you desire to unlock it, you can simply go to the smartphone, do the necessary steps, and the lock unlocks. Also, there is a tiny button at the bottom which works like a sort of a Morse code. So if you want, you could have certain taps of long and short presses, and that would essentially help you unlock it. Now, of course, if it does run out of battery, you will have to charge it with the supplied charger, and once fully charged, it will last for about 35,000. Is that what you said?
33,500.
33,500 unlocks, which is quite a few unlocks, and of course the app will notify you when you need to recharge the lock. So in case you're someone that always forgets your keys somewhere, you might want to consider a lock that unlocks with your fingerprint. It's available for $99, am I correct? Yeah, it's available for $99. It's IP67 certified, which means it can take a few splashes, but you can't immerse it underwater. If you want to immerse it underwater, there is another model which unfortunately isn't available right now.
But this is you unlock it from the.
So that's actually a very cool thing, is that if you're in the rain or if you're locking something that has a lot of water around it, then you can use one of these. Anyway, that was a quick look at Tapplock. The IP67 variant is available in the market for $99, and we can see that one sometime soon. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and for more from CES, you can log on to Digit.in.